Yeah, there we go. Caught short-handed. Hello. Excuse me. Yes, you. Okay. A representative of the Gold Saucer. Ooh. There are legitimately a lot of people in the saucer right now if you go there. We're just gonna work. Alright. Sure. I've done a lot of weird stuff. Let's do it. Fit. Okay, here we go. Oh, horchata sounds good. So does a churro. Hello, some dude asked me to come work here or something? Oh ho! Mistress Brittlestar! Oh, I think this guy shows up the first time you actually come to the saucer, so that's why he knows us. I didn't show that on screen though, sorry. Churro shake. Hell yeah. Mm-hmm. Triple Triad. Card games, I know. I still haven't been back to Disney as an adult. It's been a long time since I've been to Disneyland. Oh no! Damn. Who's splashing on me? Hello, round square. Tell me about Cliffhanger, which is... I can't look, it's right behind me. I know. Leap of Faith. It's to my left. It's great. I love Leap of Faith. There are two versions of Leap of Faith. How can a square be round? Oh, were they doing a hug? We don't ask those kind of questions, Andy. That's what gets you kicked out of. Oh, those are NPCs. What? Why do they look like they're from Kingdom Hearts? Sora, Donald, Goofy, that's right. He does a big sneeze, don't get knocked off. The slice is right. Good old Yojimbo does a big cut. Do a punch. Crane game. Gadget lovers. Good. Nothing's a boofy. What's a boofy with you? Oh, Slice is Right rules. You'll get the hang of it. Wonder Square. Oh, great. Thank you. Crystal Tower Striker. Boom. Oh yeah, they added Mahjong. They don't talk about the finding the disguised game. I wonder if they took that out. Also, there's another cliffhanger that you can go up right here. Oh, the fucking Minion Square. I never go there. Oh. It's on an entirely different floor. No, it's alright. It's not obvious. They don't ever tell you. Usually you just fall into it. Lord of Verminion, get it? Because they're minions. The finer minor. These games, I hate these games. I'm not good at them. I never play them though either. I don't know where I'm supposed to be hitting! I don't know what I'm doing! I did good, I guess. Shit. I did it? Oh no, I guess I ran out of... Fuck that game. Oh, there's Chocobo racing here also. Stupid crap. Hey, Roland. Oh! Blap! That's what! There used to be a game on the stage where you had to do dance. You had to do emotes. I knew there was more, but I couldn't remember them. That one's definitely retired. But like, you would have someone in the middle. He would do an emote, like bow or dance or laugh or some shit, and you had to copy it. Hello, I'm helping. Don't mind the axe. Yes, that's me. Oh! I'm on Holy Fist! Oh no, it's starting! Cuff a cur! Yeah, you got this, buddy. A holy high score. Rock fuck. Oh, who's it? Hello. Oh, the Milla. This is the gladiator. Slice is right? Yeah, yeah! Hey, good job! Sure, what up? Adalberta. Oh, cliffhanger. I wonder if she's the minor trader, and that's why we don't recognize her, because I haven't done any of the crafting classes. Oh, leap of faith. Hmm. Yeah, Ty was playing Mahjong earlier. Oh, we missed it. It was the slice is right. It's gotta be. No, that was the last one too. What if you just fail them all spectacularly? Alright, well, I know the world needs saving, but we work for the Gold Saucer now. Merely a jest. Why, thank you. Why, thank you. Well, it ended. We don't even get to look at it! Ah! Chief Attendant. That cat. The dilemma. Your wages. Marvelous Masquerade in the Haunted Manor? That sounds awesome! Boom. But we're here. Shoot that butt! Shoot that butt! Shoot that big old cactuar butt! Google butt! Woo! Do 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 do. Wah! Red bombs, get out of here. Here we go. A bunch of different people can show up here. Like there's Master Typhon in the back. Ultros can show up as well. Kupo! God, we're in the water. I'm gonna show nice. Yoshi P will watch you play. Crash right into the etherite. Perfect. Whoa, look at that guy. That guy's cool. Wait, who is this? Oh shit! Okay, well let's do this first. You here for play, or is there other mischief you got on your mind? Jackie! Honest work, you're an odd cove. What a heck. Core. A bloke's blood racing, nimble do-beaters, and a disregard for danger. Cliffhanger. You gotta climb up a mountain and shit, and there's bombs. Dodging bombs, eh? Now that does sound like a lark. Thanks for the idea. He likes it. Excuse me. Sorry to bother, but I'm afraid I'm feeling a bit lost. Serendipity. Could you point me in the direction of one of the less intimidating attractions? A weakness for small things, well, squealingly adorable. Lord of the Minions! Armies of clockwork dolls all squeezed together. I think she likes it. My dear adventurer, I would have thought you far too busy and stiflingly straight-laced to frequent a den of frivolity such as this. Master Gejerumu. Ah, well that explains it. Seeing as you've taken a position to serve, I see no reason not to call upon your services. I am, shall we say, an admirer of beauty of the kittenish oh god, he's creepy. Is there some simple amusement which might also indulge my discerning gaze? And let me be clear, I'm a creature of comfort, entirely unsuited to exertion or exhaustion. Moogle's paw, I guess. Oh, kitten! Paw! Just a few button presses, and some lovely young bunnies oh my god. Get out of here, please. Go paw your Moogle, dude. They are, yeah. Popolimo's a rare exception. Quick word to summarize your performance. Perfect! Simply perfect! Good, good, good. Excellent. Yes, nice. Papa Sean, yeah, he's good too. They are kind of crazy. Is this the easy or the hard one? Hard. This is a brand new one. We gotta do a little dance at first. Oh, there we go. It has to load our dance. Let's go! Sometimes the statues that you have to collect don't load in right away. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, the other one's pretty easy for me these days. And you also don't lose nearly as much if you fall off. If you fall off of this one, it sends you all the way back to the start. Yeah, it's over here. Whoop. 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 First try, baby! Thank you for coming. It's time to work. Let's do this. Oi, you're a guide, ain't she? I need you to do some guiding then. Who's this dork? Geralt of Rivia. Swift-like, but I don't fancy prancing about or learning a bunch of rules. Oh, the smack-a-hammer thing. You want to smack a hammer? The Crystal Tower Striker. Smack that tower. Toss a coin to your blacksmith. Oh, Crystal Tower, he'll strike that tower. How pleasant to find a familiar face. Join a respite from the world's demands. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, the Arcanist leader. Lady. Thubergheim. I can guide you. An Arcanist, a game which challenges the mind, would be most preferable. Oh, Mahjong. Doman Mahjong, specifically. I could play and learn about traditions. This abyss of a... Oh, Kokabuki! Gary Busey. A guide to souls lost in the madness commendable. A nudge in the right direction. The diversion which avoids certain creature once summoned by the thaumaturgical arts of my own guild, no less, is featured most prominently. I like how it's all, I believe. Any way the wind blows, I guess. Unless it's on the cards, the triple triad. So Typhon is here. Okay, I think he likes it. If you'll excuse me. What is our performance? They seem satisfied. Hell yeah. It's a living. Yeah, they're just... Hey, we demons, but we work at the casino. Hey, forget about it. That's all of them. Alright, something about a manor. The Haunted Manor! Woo! Woo! Spooky! Ghost! Hello! This rules. Room 201. Oh! Oh! Large ghost. Do sleepy. This is really cute. They kind of combined the Make It Rain and the Halloween events this year. Oh, where do they go? There's an imp. Alright. Let's check it out. Spiderweb. I can't go that way. Room 202. Hello. Here we go! Anyone present? I'm sad that there's no NPCs in here to talk to. That would be really cool. Boing! Oh, big pumpkin stack! Pumpkin stack! Pumpkin stack! This feels like a school haunted house. It reminds me of going to my school at like 8 p.m. for Halloween stuff when I was a kid. You can't put the big pumpkin on top with the small pumpkin below it? Illegal. Oh, spooky. There's the imp. Never. Oh. Is this gonna be Gaius? Or Ultima? Oh my gosh! The Cid. Nero! Grahatia. Minfilia. I don't know. Flamen. Yes! Hey all, Nashu here. Wait. I don't know what that does. Tricksome treat. Oh, I wonder if other players could be here at the same time. I could trick or treat each other. It's a little too late and probably well, that rules. This thing is so big! Do we just have all of Hawk Manor open? You could do like a prop hunt in here. Oh shit, wait, you can go up back here? I never knew that! Or maybe not, I guess you can't. Have 100 damning Thancreds? There's probably actual blood on the walls. Oh, I saw someone doing that jellyfish thing with the orbs. That seems really dumb. Oh my gosh. What's this? Oh, there. Alright, I think we've seen most of the stuff in here. There's a cool imp though. Nashu Macarena, that's it? That's right?